Hey guys, so today's video is kind of gonna be maybe a disturbing video. Today we're gonna cut open my 1-year-old beauty blender that has not been washed or used in a very long time. I'm very nervous because I'm kind of a germaphobe, I'm not excited about this, but it's kind of gonna be interesting, so let's see how that goes. Before we get into this video, you know what to do. Subscribe at the button down below because it takes 2 seconds and it's free. You don't even have to, click out of this video. Just, hit that red button down there and me and you could be homies for life. If not, no judgment, no judgment. But I'm low-key judging you a little bit. My feelings are a little bit hurt, but we still good. We still cool people, I guess. If you like videos like this, please give this a thumbs up so I know. And let's just go ahead and cut open this beauty blender. So I've had this I have other beauty blenders, but I've had this one for a year and I just haven't thrown it away. And why not just cut it open? So we're just gonna cut it. I'm very, very scared. Oh my gosh. So that wasn't the cleanest cut. I think my scissors are a little dull, but oh my gosh, the layer of makeup in this, that's kind of ridiculous. I don't know why it's stuck in this shape. There we go. It's reforming back into its original shape. So this is what the inside of my very, very used 1-year-old beauty blender looks like. You can see how much makeup has seeped into it, and honestly it's kind of gross. So I'm just using this as an example to say make sure you clean your sponges and all your brushes, and also make sure you buy new ones every 3 or 4 months, because that, you see all that buildup on the bottom, that's foundation that I couldn't get out. Let's just cut it in one more. That sound is so amusing. I love that noise. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but there is a lot. There's like a bulge in the middle, and I think maybe that's just soap that I didn't wring out. But these are what the pieces look like. That's kind of nasty. I just can't stand the bottom. Like, look how much foundation that is. Honestly, I thought the tip was gonna be a lot more nasty, but the bottom, that's like a good millimeter worth of foundation stuck in there. I just want to hear this noise again. Okay, so yeah, the sides aren't that bad. It's mainly the bottom of the beauty blender that was horrible. Like, stop focusing on my face, thanks. But yeah. That's what my 1-year-old beauty blender looks like on the inside, and now I can throw it away. So yeah, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. I like that noise too much. Bye guys.